Hey everyone, so in this video I'm giving myself a facial at home. Step 1. I'm cleansing using the Bioderma Micellar water to remove dirt. This has no alcohol and it has a beautiful pH of 4.5 which is very close to our skin's natural pH level. I'm washing my face with water before proceeding to the next step. Step 2. Shave. I like to shave my chin and neck. Shaving doesn't increase hair growth. If that was true, then I would recommend all bald men to start shaving their head. And one more thing, shaving doesn't remove your hair from roots. So when it grows back, your roots are sprouting out, which is why it looks darker and thicker. And the cycle of soft hair and thick root will continue. I shave every second day. Step 3. Cleanse. Cleansing some more using my current favorite face wash by NIOD Sanskrit Saponins. This one thoroughly cleanses skin of excess oil and impurities, and it even reduces the appearance of enlarged pores. I took some in my hand and rubbed it for 3 seconds before massaging it on my face and then washing it. Cleanse for at least a minute before washing it with water. Pat dry and smile. Step 4. Scrub. I wouldn't recommend any other scrub but just Wishfulskin by Huda Beauty. Other scrubs have such mean particles in them that can tear through your skin to remove the dead skin. But that's not the case with Wishfulskin. Wishful is a very delicate on skin and at the same time it removes dead skin. Just massage some all over your dry face. I usually scrub for a minute and I use this scrub thrice a week. Wash with water and pat dry. Step 5. Tone. After scrub, you must tone. You can use any toner you like. I'm using the Pore Flush by Hylamide. It flushes out any dirt from the pores and it acts like a toner and it tightens the pores immediately. I usually wait for it to dry naturally. Step 6. Moisturize. Another important step after scrubbing is moisturizing. You can use any moisturizer you like. I'm applying the Pore Control by Hylamide. Step 7. Finally, time to mask and relax. Today's mask is by Sephora. I love their mask. This particular one is perfect for moisturizing your skin deep down all the layers. Keep the mask on for 15 minutes or more. When you remove this mask, you don't need to wash your face. Just massage the excess serum into your skin. Step 8. Undereyes. Some eye serum for the under eyes. This one is also by The Ordinary, called the Ordinary Caffeine Solution. It's to correct dark circles and puffiness. Don't forget to massage each under eye for at least 10 seconds. Just go in circular motion and be gentle while massaging because the skin around your eyes is more delicate than the skin on any other part of your body. Step 9. Hydration. I'm hydrating my face some more. This one is called 100% plant-derived Squalane by The Ordinary. I'm massaging this onto my entire face and neck. I try and massage in upward direction. Step 10. Sunblock. Don't forget sunblock even when staying indoors. Just spread, don't over massage. This one is by Bioderma and it's a tinted sunblock in the shade golden beige. That's all from me. Have an awesome facial.